Hello, Dr. Hoskins and Cohort M, and also the new attendees in our class this semester. I'd like to present information about a grant that I'd like to write. I would like to write a grant proposal to help persons with disabilities obtain gainful employment, and not only obtain this employment, but also the skills that are necessary to maintain employment. I would like to write it for my school district here in Jacksonville in conjunction with an area agency which services people with disabilities, such as the Vocational Rehabilitation Center. But there are other agencies that I could choose, but that just happens to be one that I mentioned. Also, I'd like to write this grant in conjunction with one of the 4 accredited colleges that are here in Jacksonville. That would be the University of North Florida or Florida State College at Jacksonville. Both of those are state institutions. And then there's also Jacksonville University, as well as Edward Waters College, which is a historically black college here in Jacksonville, which was founded in 1866. Why would I like to write this? Is because the grant money is needed for our community that services persons with disabilities. There are employment agencies that help persons with disabilities, but the population seems to be growing, and then therefore the services are strained. So with this limited services that are helping people who have disabilities find employment, I'd like to help lessen the load and also improve employment options for persons with disabilities. The people who will work on this project will include myself. I'm a job developer working with 3 local high schools here in my area. Also, at least one district job coach will be working on this grant, as well as our district ESE transition specialist, as well as at least one partnering college. I would like for this fund to, the grant co-writers will begin meeting during the summer prior to the work beginning. The services will begin immediately at the start of the school year with a pre-assessment to determine what the students already know, and also a student assessment to gauge their needs. And then also I will know that the grant project is successful if students are able to pass that post-assessment. It's going to be the same set of 10 or 20 questions that are asked at the beginning of the school year. You'll ask those same questions again. We'll know if they are successful if they can pass the post-assessment or at least raise their level of understanding of what they knew prior to the start of our program, and also if they are able to gainfully obtain employment, if they know how to interview, how to present themselves professionally in an interview, how to dress for success, and if they're able to receive a job offer. Thank you so very much. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.